He got something. The stick better.
Nigga, you got a motherfucking tree branch.
Oh my God, I know.
You say no.
It did that before I caught it.
You can feel it. Well, you gotta land it. If you land it, then you good. If you don't land it, you ain't got shit.
Hey man, step in the boat, man. The boat about to be in your way.
Oh, I done took this nigga Jay. Land that motherfucker. Here, take this over there.
That don't sound like it's running with its drag.
Hey, open it. Close the drag. Close the drag.
Close the drag.
That little thing on the top. That circle on the top. Close it.
Yeah,
Twist it to the left.
Turn that jump clockwise. Drag.
All right, just keep reeling.
Pictures, autograph stuff, CDs and stuff.
I said, damn, I done walked over to Jay. Oh shit, pop. I ain't worried about that tweed. They probably more worried about the fishing than the weed. Who told his ass he caught a motherfucking branch, a log? Boy, when you think you got that fish on?
Oh, why not on it?
Hell no, why not on it?
A shoe.
I'm about to say a shoe, a fucking tire, a branch, a log. Logs be in the water, floating through the water, so if it grab it, you gonna think it's something on your motherfucking hook off the break. You gonna say, oh, I got a fish on. You don't have a fish on, you have a log on. I told him. Look, he's sweating and all that. He's fighting the shit out that log.
He's fighting like shit.
Fighting that log, huh, girl, huh, bro?
Shit,
Yeah,
I
be careful. Here, put it in here.
Hey, yo, I'm trying to tell you, I caught a shoe one time.
No,
out
the
there in
other way.
Baltimore. When I say
and
I
wind.
was working with that shoe,
Wind it.
that junk came up a little jelly bean sandal and shit. I was like, God damn.
There you go.
You think that be light and shit, like.
Nah, the tide will be taking it. You'll think you fighting a fish. Whole time you fighting not a fish.
But with the water
Everything but a fish.
and shit.
Oh, they used to got rock bread on it.
I'm done.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir, Mr. Big Shot.
I got the AC on that junk snowball.
Snowball machine. What? Oh shit. That dumbass shit.
That's what I want to go back.
What? I need to cut the motherfucking bushes down right there. You all riding around in that dumbass car. Can't even stand on the motherfucking stones and fish. The shit right there where you supposed to stand at, all the way down, that shit fucked up.
That's still a long walk. Come and give me a picture. That's still a long walk.
Pull your glasses up.
Huh?
Pull your glasses up.
I'm like, what the fuck flew about that? Oh. I plugged myself in.
Are you using my good drinking water on that grill? Are you using my good drinking water on that grill?
Hell yeah. You want some more drinking water? I got enough drinking water in the car. You want another?
No, I don't. I want what I had.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I can't replace what you had. Can I give you the drinking water that I had in the car?
Okay.
I'm serious.
No, we cool. We cool.
I'm sorry.
He took my damn good drinking water and put it in that damn grill.
You want some Avion?
You've been trying to do that all day.
You want some Avion water?
No.
Got another Avion water in there. Got a liter of Avion. I apologize.
No, you good. We keep saying you good. It's okay.
I'm out the way, man. I'm done for the day.
Well, people on YouTube, I ain't seen it real life.
They feeding these motherfuckers 2 loaves of bread.
Yeah, that's what I see.
2 loaves. It's crazy.
There's a lot of motherfuckers.
Nah, you good. They got the little birds out there.
Watch them ducks.
Nah, they got the little birds and all that. They bringing all the fucking birds over here.
What? See? I don't know. I ain't counting. I think I'm the only one drinking them though.
That's what Nene and Wayne need. Where they go? Where
I ain't keep going though.
They need some motherfucking dragonflies in their backyard. Dragonflies eat mosquitoes.
I mean, I can't go too far. I can't go past 18 though. It's only 18 back. So I can't go past 18. So I know I'm good.
Okay, more bread. Come on, baby. We coming out here to feed the ducks next week. Let me get some of that old bread. That bread that we got that don't expire. We got some bread that don't expire, y'all. It don't mold. I'm scared. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this shit. We ain't eat it, but I'm still trying to wait for it to mold. It still hasn't. Costco's.
Like that. Would not be able to Costco's
Type shit.
Nah, but you.
like this.
But hold up though. But guess what though? This ain't the thing though. Like we can't tell y'all shit. You know what I mean? When y'all start talking about shit, we can tell you, hey, nah, we only doing X, Y, and Z. You be like, so what? They be like, alright, well, go ahead and put on what you want to put
Give me
on.
some of that motherfucking bread. I'm gonna put that shit in the water.
You trying to stay out of the way, like nigga.
Catch me a
They
motherfucker.
don't like arguing at work.
Shot.
Like arguing at home.
No, that's crazy.